Hi, this is David from Dyson Bikes. In this video today, I just want to show you these ETook plate locks and just how well they work on the e-scooters. There's plenty of ways to lock up your e-scooter. You can use a traditional U-lock or a cable lock. But the benefit really with the ETook plate locks is this really great mounting system they have for holding the lock when it's not in use. So when you're riding around, you can fit the lock into this mounting bracket, which you can secure onto the handlebars of your scooter. It's a really strong mount. It has these great little like clamps that you can put on there, so it's not going to move around. It'll even stay in place when you fold it up for transport. You can see we've mounted it up there. You can still pick it up, and it's nice and out of the way. The other advantage with the plate locks is they're nice and strong and quite small, so they're easy to get through the rear wheel. So once I open it up, you'll see that's quite a small but strong, solid piece of metal, and that'll easily fit through the rear wheel on your scooter, and you can lock that around a post to secure it. You can also put it through here as well, just making sure that the post is big and there's no room where someone could manoeuvre the scooter out through the lock. So that's the ETook plate lock. These are available on dysonbikes.com.au. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch. Thanks for watching.